Hello and welcome here, and in this video I will show here what will happen if you have not called the previous value here. In it means this constructor is already called here when object is made, but here I will make the value here and I will make this self. Let's see. Then when I make this, I will make this get and I will pass self here. I will print simply self.c, and let's not make that class because we have declared this variable here. Before that also we have declared here value, but we have not called this initiate means this function in here object, but we have get that result in here. While print here we have get that result, but now I want to print this get only. I will not call this function here and I will directly call get function. What cost we have to pay for it, we will know that. It is giving me my class has no object or attribute, that is called C, means this C is not getting, this is the attribute of this class, whole class, it is not getting here. Now let's make again this object dot, I will make simply I have to call this put. Now it should give me an answer. Yes, it is giving me answer, and I will explain all this thing what is happening us. You will know when you are learning for beginning, then it will be difficult to learn, but it is so quite simple. When you call this object, this automatically called because this is a constructor, this is initialization of the class. It will initialize the class and it will assign all the memory location of this class. Now I have called this 10 and 20 here. Here I should call here 20. I have called 10 both. Let's make 320. It's not cost here, and this will be called automatically. This will be make self will make a super global for only this class, and here by using self we can access that variable here. And when before that we have called only get, it will skip this portion because this is not a constructor, so it will skip this method here because we have not called this method. Before calling this method, the compiler will not run that method, and it will run this, but it will search for C here and it is not getting anywhere and it will give us error. But I have called put before. If we called put after this get, it will also give error because this will be run first because it run line wise line, because here running will be started from here after the creation of the object. Now let's make the constructor with multiple variable, and let's make here let's make x comma y so that you would not confuse which is which is super global and which is of this method. I will pass here simply 10 and 20. You would imagine that here is 3 argument we have previously called with the function, that here how many argument we pass for the function we have to pass while calling that function. This is defining function, this is calling function. But in before you have also imagined that we are making here init and we are passing the arguments here or parameter. But in here there are 3 parameter, we are passing 2 parameter here. This is because self is not treated as a parameter, only it will treat 2 component as a parameter, and we can assign here same parameter. I will say a is equal to x and b is equal to y, and here in other language you can say here initialize a b c d, and you can make, but Python give us, this is the gift of Python, that we should not, we need not to make a static initialization of any variable, either it is int, char, we need not to initialize that value, or we should declare that value before we use. We can use that dynamically where we need. If we don't need, we need not to use that variable, so that we can save the memory space, and here we can assign here. Now it should give us, let's run, it is giving us 30. In next video we will create multiple object of this class, and how it will run we will see that same also. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with us and get knowledge and share knowledge with other, and please comment if you have some good examples to make know about others, so that you can help other through us.